Hello student, we are going to study about what is meant by centripetal acceleration. When the object is moving in anti-clockwise sense, if its initial position on x-axis but it moves in anti-clockwise sense, therefore if the particle reaches at point P, therefore OP vector P is the position of that particle after t time instant, means theta is equal to omega t, where theta is angular displacement, where theta is known as angular displacement. Theta is equal to arc, or theta is known as arc upon radius. Arc upon radius. That arc A to P point, therefore AP arc upon radius. Radius means r. R is the radius. Therefore theta is equal to omega upon t. Means omega, theta is equal to omega into t, where omega is angular velocity. Angular velocity means rate of change of angular displacement. Omega is known as theta upon t, means angular displacement, rate of change of angular displacement. But when theta is equal to omega t, that OP vector is equal to r vector. It gives position vector. Position vector. Where P is the point from A on the circumference of the circle, therefore OP, A to P, if the particle moves from A to P in anti-clockwise sense, OP vector, it gives the position vector. Then the R vector results in two components. One is the horizontal component and another is a vertical component. Therefore R cos theta and R sin theta. That factors when R cos theta and R sin theta. Therefore that position vector can be written along x-axis, R cos theta along x-axis. Unit vector along x-axis is denoted by I vector. Unit vector. Therefore R cos theta and R sin theta along x and y axis. Therefore position vector R vector is equal to R cos theta I vector plus R sin theta j vector, where I vector is the unit vector along x axis and j vector is the unit vector along y axis. Therefore R vector, position vector R vector is equal to R cos theta I vector plus R sin theta j vector. Now that vector theta is equal to, substitute theta is equal to omega into t. Then theta is equal to omega t. Then substitute theta is equal to omega t. Therefore R vector is equal to R cos omega t into I vector plus R sin omega t into j vector. But differentiate with respect to time. That vector is differentiate with respect to time. Therefore dr vector by dt means rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. Therefore v vector is equal to dr by dt is equal to d by dt of, that differentiate d by dt of r cos omega t into I vector plus r sin omega t into j vector. Differentiate with respect to time. Therefore omega t and dt are differentiated. Therefore cos r, common of that two quantities, r, cos, derivative of cos is minus omega plus where sine differentiate of sine of omega t is equal to cos omega t, but that constant can be r is common, omega cos of omega t j vector. Therefore, v vector is equal to r minus omega sin omega t I vector plus omega cos of omega t j vector. We can obtain from that relation by using the position vector and differentiate with respect to time differentiation, and again time differentiation of velocity, we get acceleration, where that centripetal acceleration means centripetal acceleration, the object moves from its initial position and in anti-clockwise sense the object moves towards the center of the circle, then that acceleration is known as centripetal acceleration. Therefore, dv by dt is equal to r, again differentiate, r minus omega into omega square, minus omega into omega is omega square, sine differentiation with respect to time, therefore sine get converted into cos of omega t I vector plus again minus sine, because of cos, derivative of cos is minus sine, minus omega square sine of omega t j vector. Therefore, minus omega square, minus sign take common from that two quantities, and minus omega square and r cos of omega t I vector plus r sin omega t j vector. And this is the position vector, means r vector. R vector is equal to r cos omega t I vector plus r sin omega t j vector. Substitute that. Instead of that bracket term is referred as r vector. Therefore, dv by dt is known as acceleration. Acceleration is equal to minus omega square into r vector, position vector.